Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change our vibration for one specific contact in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change our vibration method, we have to go to the phone book, then we will navigate to contacts, and we need to choose our contact that we want to change vibration for. We tap a contact, then this little menu here, and right here we have more options. Change ringtone / vibration. Here we can change call vibration. This is default one. We can choose silent if we don't want to vibrate for this specific contact. We have a couple options, and we need to back out, and now our contact vibration is changed. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.